Alright guys, how we doing? Been a while since I've been back up here. Shoot, I reckon I ain't made a video in probably a month. But been working with my boy doing electrical work, wiring houses and stuff, and just been busy as can be. But anyway, he gave me today and tomorrow off a couple days. So me and my buddy went down a couple hours up the road the other day and picked up this Atlas metal lathe. It's a TH42. I think it's got a 10-inch swing on it. Something to play with. Miller? No, I'm not a miller. I'm not a lather. I'm not none of that. But I like to make metal and do stuff. So it'll be fun to play with. But it come with a milling attachment. So that's going to be kind of fun to mess with a little bit. I hadn't messed with it yet, but I went and picked up some end mills from Harbor Forge yesterday evening or last night. So we'll get there and play with it and do something. I mean, you can't do a lot with it because the jaws don't hold but so big a stock. But anyway, something to mess with. But I got to playing with this thing a little bit, and the lead screw was acting a little funny going in reverse, like it was skipping along a little bit. So I had a piece of metal in my hand. Anyway, but I pulled the lead screw forward and reverse and switch off, and then the gears were all to pieces. So I got new ones ordered. They should be here in the next few days. I may bring y'all along when I put it back together. It's pretty simple, no big deal. Couple plug gears and a couple spider gears, nothing special. But anyway, that's that. Got a whole bunch of a tote and full of other chucks and all kinds of stuff, all kinds of bits and arbors and all kind of mess. If any of y'all got any idea what that rig right there is supposed to be. The guy said when he bought the lathe it come with it, he has no clue what it does. I don't know. But anyhow, here's what it is. Boy brought a carburetor by here and wants me to fix that up for him. So the next few days, maybe weekend or something, I'll get that rebuilt for that guy. And then maybe, just maybe, we'll get back on this truck. I've decided, I think what I'm going to do is the seats are going to sit on this level. And I'm going to just level right across, square right across, and cut the floor up, cut it out, and put a flat plate there and on the other driver's side. That way I can get my seats to sit basically about as low as possible and level. I don't think it's no big deal to do. There's nothing structural right there under the truck anyway. So we'll just do something, cut it out and weld it up. Yeah, it's only metal. We can cut it and weld it all day. But anyway, that's about all I've done, man. I ain't been out in the shop in almost a month. Got out here today trying to clean up a little bit, and I turned the air conditioner on, man. It was hot in here. So, but anyway, we're going to do that. And, I think me and Barry's going to get right under the lean-to over here on the left side. Over here, it's 14 foot wide, 24 foot deep. I think we're going to go ahead and pour concrete over there, put a garage door up and close the wall off and move, like build a permanent place for the lathe to go, the valve grinding machine, maybe like move these engines and the English wheel, glass cabinet, all that kind of stuff be over there. Give me a lot more room in here, I hope. Torch, all that kind of stuff. So we're just getting so daggum clustered in here, you can't always turn around and do nothing. I mean, daggum workbench is a shelf now. It's not a workbench, it's a shelf. It got everything in the world on it. So we got to clean all that up. But what I do have to do is put on the little truck, I need to put this inner fender well back in I think I'm gonna build. I think I got a battery box out of a C10 over there. I think I'll just take and cut it down, weld it, and build me a battery box to go right here. Well, kind of like where it would be on a C10 or anything, or where it was on the S10, but it was just a little old plastic thing. So we're just gonna fabricate something across here and make it like it ought to be, or like it looks like it should be. I'll put it that way. But anyway, that's just, I hadn't, like I say, I ain't fiddled, done nothing. Just been working every day, and about tired of it. You know, I enjoy helping my boy. I wired houses for 30 years, but enough's enough. You know, I'm ready to do my projects now. The deer season will be coming here shortly, and I ain't got this truck finished. I ain't close to finishing it. So come September, this little sucker's gonna sit right here till after January. I'm gonna deer hunt. But anyway, guys, I figured I'd just come up here and touch bases with y'all, let you know where we at and what we've been doing. So anyway, that's just, you know, a little truck just sitting here. I don't even know if I told y'all, I wound up putting a new fuel cell in it. I put a black one in it. The aluminum, the one I had in it had a crack in it. So I hell with it. Just replace it and be done with it. Anyhow, alright guys, let me get our grandson's wanting to go play in the pool. I'm gonna go out there and watch him. Alright, we'll see y'all later. Have a good one.